In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message on Facebook Marketplace in 2025. Whether you're tidying up your chat history or simply trying to remove old messages, the process is straightforward and we're here to guide you through each step. Let's begin with the first step, which is opening your Messenger app. If you're accessing Facebook Marketplace, you'll notice that your conversations are integrated into Messenger. This streamlines communication, but when you want to delete something, the process happens through this chat interface. Begin by launching the Messenger app on your device. If you're using a web browser, open the messenger.com link. Next, navigate to the specific conversation you want to delete. Scroll through your list of chats and tap or click on the conversation in question. If you've bought or sold multiple items, you might have many dialogues, so take your time to ensure you're selecting the exact chat you want to delete. Now, within the chat conversation, look for the three dots icon, also known as the More Options button. This is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on these three dots will reveal a drop-down menu with additional options related to the conversation. This is where you will find various action choices, including deleting the chat. Once you click on the three dots, select the Delete Chat option from the menu. A prompt may appear to confirm your decision to delete the chat, considering this can't be undone. Make sure you want to permanently remove this conversation from your messenger. Finally, confirm the deletion by clicking on Delete Chat once more. This confirmation step ensures that this action is intentional, as deleted messages can't be recovered. Once confirmed, the conversation is erased from your chat list. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to delete a conversation on Facebook Marketplace's Messenger. This can help keep your chat list concise and free from unnecessary messages, especially after a transaction is completed, or when a chat no longer holds relevant information. Remember, while this process is straightforward, always double check that you're deleting the correct conversation, as it cannot be retrieved once removed. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any more questions or need assistance with other Facebook features, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day navigating